Hello, Transurfer, and thank you for tuning into this Transurfing TV production. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and please like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love Reality Transurfing to enter my giveaway for my awesome reprogramming stickers. And please check out some of our other shows if you are new to this channel. We have the 78 Days of Practical Transurfing, my express lessons of the day, Transurfing Living, and all sorts of other content for your transurfing pleasure. So with that, I will get right into it. 15, being present. So in the past lesson, we were talking about really imitating action and choosing a new film role by imitating action. And now we're getting into this concept a little more deeply, choosing another film role. And one of the absolute necessary attributes of being able to create your own reality and choose a new film role is you maintaining being present. So this really is about you shifting your attention to that center screen. And this is really the only place that you can truly be present, because when you are in your inner mind, when you are in your inner screen, you're usually in either the past or the future, and you can't create reality from either of those places. You have to be in the present moment. Then you are capable of jumping from one film role to another. So it says here, numerous different movie films and frames. So we have lots and lots of different options in our environment swirling around us all the time. These are different lifelines. These are different paths, different goals, different doors, different opportunities, however you want to look at it. But if you are lost in your inner screen, thinking about the past or the future, you are going to miss all these junctures. If you want to look at it that way, you will miss these opportunities, signs, ways that you can split off and go in a new direction towards a new future frame or future goal. So being present is really one of the utmost qualities of being able to create your own reality. So again, in the Tufti book, she states this multiple times. I see myself, I see my reality. This is you calling it out, that you see yourself in the present moment, in that center screen, you see your reality. And in doing this, you acquire the ability to make a new choice. So the next one, choosing the goal frame. Stay tuned, everyone.